it. Okay, come on in, Maud. Come on in.
Get on in.
Come on in, honey.
Open your eyes up now.
Wow. What do you think?
Oh.
What do you think, honey?
She's taking it in.
No way.
Yes, way. There's so much here to see.
That is incredible.
Let me give you a tour. She reaches for the little sundry. Okay, yeah, here.
Okay, here, bud.
So this is what
I did.
I know. Oh, she's so cool now. That's her little mirror. Just a little close-up mirror. There you go.
Nah.
Those are actually from my one of this. I don't know if you remember my little Barbie bathtub I had. These were from the Barbie bathtub that I had when I was a girl. And she's got her little hair. I've got another bigger comb in here that you can use.
You going to give her the tour or just talk about combs? Show her the bathroom.
Here's the bathroom, Bug. Here's the mermaid in the bathtub.
And the toilet seat lifts up.
And look, they have flushes for when they do pee-pees and bobos. That's their toilet. And, oh yeah, and I forgot on that thirst thing you were...
The kitchen's underneath, Maudie.
Yeah, the first thing you were shooting, I forgot that they have a little radio in
here. And
here.
they got a washer and dryer. Oh yeah, turn on the radio.
Okay, hold on.
Please.
Maudie, what do you think? It's got a little radio in there that plays music, honey. Isn't that
Jams.
That's a hamper. You put the clothes in the hamper, and it drops down here to the laundry basket, and then you can do laundry. And those are the washing machine.
Grandma can come over and do the laundry.
Right, and it plays another song too. Hold on. All right.
This is my favorite.
I want to do this toe.
What's
I
that?
want to do these toes.
Clothes?
Oh, okay. What, you want to dress her in something different? This is my Golden Dream Barbie, actually, from this.
You want your camera shook?
Oh,
There you go.
is it still recording?
Oh yeah.
Okay. What do you think, honey?
Good.
So you already want to get her dressed in something different? Okay. Well, let's go to the closet.
Because there are clothes.
Oh my gosh, clothes in the closet.
Yeah, look at all those clothes.
Oh my.
So we're gonna have some fun. And
we gotta remember we've been piecing it together.
yeah.
For the last year.
Yeah.
But it came with a lot of stuff.
It's amazing. Yep.
Well, Mike has something to play with now.
That's what I said. Not to mention play for hours.
Here, let me help you with her. Okay, well, we're gonna start playing with this thing. So, all right.
What are these right here?
What?
Speakers.
These are doors. I'll show you everything. They actually open and close like that, so you can close it up if you wanted to. There's also a little door here on the side. Oh, and this is the coolest part. I forgot to demo the staircase. Here, look. So look at how Tirsa climbs the stairs. Woo! No, she's supposed to be my friend Tirsa.
Oh.
See? And then she goes all the way down. Woohoo!
Just like the she's an actress. Like the
Yeah.
So fun.
wild.
What, I know, look at the teeny little toothbrush. Oh, yes, it's so cute. Yeah, there's a little liquid soap pump dispenser. And, little vase of flowers. There you go.
Lots of little things.
It's a little teetery. I'll fix it, Bug. Don't worry.
That's just like our house.
So, yeah, this is it.
I think one of those girls need to take a poo. They're on the potty, Maudie.
Don't be coarse.
They never do
not.
that. They just throw up.
It's got a potty there. Or she can hold back somebody's hair.
After all, this is a potty training award.
Right, yeah, that's true, that's true.
Tell me how my dad did this.
Okay, all right, I better shut this off. So,
Granddad's embarrassed now.
how do you like it, Maud?
Good.
Good.
What is
And it looks great.
Help me do do
I
that.
know Granddad's especially excited.
Yes.
All right, that's a little game. All right, I'm gonna shut this off. Love you, honey.
Love you.
I love making this for you. It was lots of fun,
Yeah.
and you and I can play with it lots of times.
Lots of hours.
Lots of hours of
Oh
fun.
my gosh.
I love you, honey.